Welcome to another electric performance video. Here we have a Tesla Model 3 Performance running on the awesome lightweight Martian wheels. These are in 18-inch configuration. We also have the Blizzak tires and WS90 trim. We are going to be driving this Tesla around this racetrack with our friend Drew Peterson, who owns Martian Wheels. We also saw Drew in the autocrossing episode, and Drew is going to shred his Tesla around this racetrack carved in the ice, and it's going to be wild, I'm sure.
So today we're out at Georgetown Lake and doing an ice racing event here. So pretty much, closed course event, safe as could be to come out and drive your car at the limit, slide it around, especially, today it's mostly ice, so we'll be sideways for the majority of the day. And to help us do that, I'm going to change our settings a little bit. Don't want to go full Kyle Connor drift mode. We're going to back it off a little bit to 90-10, and that'll allow the front to help us in the corners a bit, but we'll be, mostly sideways. Second, here being the stability assist. We want to take that all the way off. On a slippery surface like this especially, when the car starts sliding, it's really just going to limit power, start grabbing the brakes, and just not allow you to slide as much as you actually want to on this kind of surface. And then regen, we're going to have all the way to 100%, and again, that's just really going to help us turn into the corners when we're decelerating. And then post-drive cooling we don't need today, and compressor overclock we don't need either. Basically, today is pretty cold. I think this morning started out at about 9 degrees. So we don't need to worry about things getting too hot.
Get ready. So Drew, how have your track mode settings been working? You started on 90 rear and 10 front. And how did that work for you?
That was okay. Tried to get even a little bit more, oversteer, so moved it to 95.5. And then basically, if you were sideways with a lot of, counter steer in, you weren't allowed, or the front motors wouldn't pull you back out. So once you got too sideways, there was nothing you could do with that much to the rear. So yeah, that's not the way to go.
Right,
so 90 to the rear is the most that you probably should ever do when you're actually trying to drive quick.
And do you think you'll try an 85 rear to see if that helps with front, or is that too understeering?
That could be better. Yeah, that could be better. We'll definitely play around with it a little bit and try moving it more forward, and then see if that, if the control when you're sideways makes up for a little bit more understeer. So we'll see.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, that looked like the best run so far, Drew.
Yeah, that felt good.
What were the settings?
So went to 85-15 on the handling balance, which is actually the same thing I like to do for racing on dry pavement. So that's kind of funny to find out. Yeah, any further forward than that is too understeery, and any further back is you again just don't have any or enough control of the front motor when you're sideways to pull the front end forward. So yeah, 85-15 is my jam. All right, so we're going up against the Bronco for 5th place. Let's see how it goes.
Guys, Drew just got 5th place out of a really aggressive competition. There was race prepped Audi TTRSs, really crazy stuff. This Model 3 Performance just shredded it, beat like a really neat Bronco that's like prepped for this kind of racing. I thought that was impressive. Also, just track mode's so cool, right? How you can dial in everything on the car, shows you what's possible with electric vehicles. Can't wait to do so much more with electric vehicles in a performance setting right here on this channel, so make sure you subscribe. We will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Electric Performance. Please subscribe, share, and hit the like button.